Scotland, sabato perché go for the ships.
Come the since precision.
Which is normally the head of the city screening packet range, whereby I was screening 169 screen annually and 42 are screening.
The Minister of Health is if that is to happen, then they will have to agree for leasing of a land and so on. Yes, we can do it. Your policy is good.
Hindi ko sa dyan na kambali na basta lesi ano tumay na
Butu penuh mai, nam tu penuh itu nol lah. Orang tahu kalau butu na penuh orang tidak ada boleh gina nam tu. Kamu na balik bawah na kena balik nyumbulai nam tu penuh itu nol lah. Salam butu kira mai na sona kene wase. Sama kita bina nam tu penuh itu rau. Lau jina kena balik, penuh rapat yang mungkin rapat boleh gina na lewat penuh itu rau.
Nada.
We just need to renovate it. Just need to renovate it, clean it and pay it up. And please, we're quite with it. Maintenance, renovation.
We're thankful for government that in the 2018-2019 budget, there's already provisions for maintenance renovations. So the whole aim of the tour is just to see what's happened and actually just to continue to encourage our health officials to carry on with it because we're nearly halfway through the financial year. So that we need to finish this and carry on with the next job. Also just to, one thing I've been talking about in the last week is we need to finish on a high and begin 2019 on a high. So, our professionalism, our efficiency, and also our facilities. The Fiji government has made significant contributions towards continuing renovations and improving the facilities. And we just need to ensure that this work is done and is done well. One of already the refurbishments are happening here in Tavua, so they're happening at the back. Up in Ntariwatu, that's already done. That was done with external stakeholders supporting us. The nesting stations have already been planned. So as I said, these are already within the provisions of the budget. It's already been scoped within the provisions of the budget of 2018-2019. My role is actually to come and encourage the staff that we need to finish this and finish it well so that we can carry on with the next job that needs to be done. The Nandaribatu is a huge area, and even though it's huge, it's got a population of 5,000. And so it is quite scattered. Some of the nursing stations that we went to, they were far flung. And as I said, I take my hat off to the nurses, to our health professionals who are there, working in those places. They have already in Nandaribatu, they have a 3-berth mortuary, which was a charitable trust that gave it to them. So what we've been talking about is actually enhancing the mortuary space, making sure that we put some benches on the outside, make it more appealing, because as you know, for us, it's during the time of coming and saying goodbye to our loved ones, it's a very emotional time. So just ensuring that we enhance the look and the way that we portray it. And it has to be, as I keep on saying, we can't be different. It can't look different in Nandaribatu. It has to be similar to what we offer in the big subdivisional hospitals or the other hospital. We talked about it today, so obviously schedule us, making sure that we have scheduled visits for simple things such as a dentist, looking at the opportunity to be able to actually do simple blood tests. As you know, these are some of the services they have to come all the way to Tavua, and it's quite a long ride. It's quite bumpy. They've actually got it sorted in terms of how they've planned their clinical services. One thing I noticed, for example, up in Nandaribatu and the Greater Nandrau Plateau, which is a very large area, what they've done is any woman who's about 34 weeks, they encourage them to come to Tavua and wait to have a delivery. And I think that's an awesome plan, because as you know, it's actually quite isolated, so they're going to have problems, very difficult to. So they've already got this sussed. What we need to do is actually just ensure that some of the services that we can take up to Nandaribatu, that we actually have it scheduled, and not just on a whim, this week we'll go and do some dental day. No, it has to be scheduled so that the people in the interior, up in the Nandrau Plateau, know that on a particular day, the dentist will come or blood test will happen.